Hello again, it's Christine. Welcome back to Mix and Match Magic as we explore this product line that has pre-printed card bases and ephemera packs of all types of icons. So far we've made card 1 with the Celebrate, card 2, Ahoy Friend, and yesterday was card 3, Congrats. Today let's move on to card 4. Let's start off by laying out the dies and images I intend to use from the ephemera packs. Now, because there are 2 each of the images in the ephemera packs, I have cut my card bases down so that I can get 2 cards out of them. So I needed to adhere that to a card base. But I thought with the black in the typewriter that if I brought in just a small border of black around the card base, that would help just tie in the whole theme of the card. So now I'm just laying out my pieces there, and you can see the typewriter just blends into that background. So I'm using the Unbounded Love dies to help frame that typewriter. And the particular die I'm using has 2 pieces, an inside and an outside. So I've cut it out twice, once in black and once in white. My sentiment there, the hay, I glued onto a frame ephemera, and I felt like it needed that hint of a black around that edge as well. So now I have all my pieces and that delicate outer frame with some fine detail glue to help hold it in place as well. And now I can add my typewriter with just a little bit of foam tape for dimension and place it right there in that frame, and it stands out a little better. And just a few embellishments there on the front, and that simple card is done. Now for the inside, I've got a frame ephemera. Again, I'm just going to add a really thin black border there with black cardstock and adhere that inside. I've got a sentiment phrase from the ephemera packs, thinking of you, and I'll place that right over the frame. And then, I don't know, thinking of you while I sip on my coffee, right? So sending a little note with the typewriter and thinking of you inside with the coffee. Join me tomorrow for more Mix and Match magic as we take those card bases, cut them in 2, and double the fun. Be the first to know about my events, workshops, and classes by signing up for my blog updates on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.